Hello and welcome back to Dinkum. I was just in the middle of my little morning routine, feeding my animals and stuff, and I wasn't planning on recording, but I remembered Franklin was here and I just started talking to Franklin, and they started talking about how I've been repairing the teletowers, and now asked me about a telepad. So I thought we better start recording this, see what's happening. So now adding too many would most likely disrupt the tele network. So I think we'll only be able to build one, so we can build one telepad. I've spoken to Fletch and she has agreed to add it to the available deeds. Alright, so we'll have to go look at that. I don't have any discs for you. I have one in storage. I want to see how much a chainsaw and jackhammer would be really handy. Compactor too. I eventually really want the repair table. We're going to need the charging station when we get the power tools. I want to buy the gotcha machine. I hear you can get some really good things out of it. But I sort of want to splurge and get a motorbike, you guys. I don't know. We need to pay off a deed too. I have to think about it. I'm so stingy with my money. We're going to go, speaking of money, sell some things. Let's check the recycle bin too. Just some shoes. Khaki boots. Never know. That looks like a bug I might not have yet. It's a little blue creepy crawly. Ooh. Peacock spider. I can't remember if we caught one of those or not. I haven't. Whoop. By the way, I hit level 10 on my bug catching and fishing finally. No, we haven't, so I'll have to save that and turn it in. Let's see what we've got going here. Shipping requests. 21 apples. 4 days. We can do that. Like 21 apples. We might even have that many. I don't know. John wants to trade. Red flats. Any other clothing. Okay, I'll trade you my boots right now. Although I kind of want to keep... That's fine. We'll get boots later. Hey, John. Let's do that first. Glad we checked the recycle bin. You're welcome. Thank you for the red flats. They'll go with the red dress I have in storage, I'm sure. Oh, we're almost at all 5 hearts with him. Okay, everything... Oh, let's sell those. Everything but that one spider. Bottle brew. I won't sell the red flats. See, if we pay off Franklin's deed, we can now then place the one for Melvin's shop. I've really got to fence all of this off to keep the kangaroos and stuff out. How much do we owe? I think it's like 2. Oh, it's all of our dinks. Do I do it? I think we do it. We can make it back quickly enough. And this way we can place the shop, the other one. Hi, let me check the licenses too. See, I wish I had a motorcycle, but I feel like this is better. 3,000 for the logging license. I think we're going to save up for that. Or the hunting. Logging or hunting is next. Yeah. Hi, Fletch. Alright, furniture shop. Yeah, telepad. I don't want to do this yet. It's like a teletower you can place where you want. Because I don't know where I want it yet. I don't know that I need it at my house. I don't know. If any of you have any suggestions on a good place to place it, let me know. Like, should I put it closer to like a really good mining spot? Should I keep it close to my home just because that's so much easier? I don't know. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, so let me know in the comments. Let's do the furniture shop deed. Oh, that's only 145,000. Nice. I should have all the materials to make those. Let's do it. Thanks, Fletch. Okay. So I was thinking, I don't know, maybe we'll keep this area kind of like a little squared off area that I can do something cute with. So maybe we'll put this around here. How close do I have these? I have these like right up on the paths. It doesn't have to be though. Let's see what that would look like. I know Franklin's is kind of right behind it. No, I think I want these tucked back a little bit. That's just zoomed in so much I can't even see what I'm doing. I know I can move them. That might be all right. Let's do that. Yes. I did start moving some dirt around. I haven't figured out fully what I want to do. So what did we need? Is it palm? Gum wood. Oh, just gum and palm wood. Nails, tin sheets. Doggo escaped to my yard again. Oh, silly doggo. I've got to donate that spider too. Hi, doggo. Stay in the yard, okay? I don't want anything bad to happen to you. Okay, we need more palm wood. Might need more nails. I can't remember what we needed. Need like 13 more, I think. I think it's 18 of each. Oh, our orchard's ready. Let's see, oh, we gotta get those apples together too, yeah. I'm counting in my head, but I actually don't know how many I have. This might be 12 or 13. Okay, let's see what we have now. Oh, I need gumwood. I had my logs in backwards. Yeah, dork. Well, now we've got lots of palm wood. Did it backwards. That'll be 6. 7. Look at doggo. What are you doing, doggo? Make a few more. I can't remember what day Irwin is closed. I almost want to say Mondays. Yeah, he's still out. I wanted to get a another pleep. Pleep. I have trouble with remembering what to call that. Pleep. Maybe tomorrow. This place, hopefully we've got everything. There we go. It's the day after tomorrow. We should have that. Pardon me. Put my random piece of poo away. Always picking up poo. Real life, in-game. That's all I do. Pick up poo after animals. Okay, yeah, I'm out of 10 ore. I feel like I didn't get very much accomplished in the mines on the last episode, but that's all right. Okay, Apples. Perfect. Whoops, need one more. I think it was 21. Okay. Actually, I want to harvest all the others and sell them. I want to see what we get for like a full-on haul of fruit. I'll be sure to give Rain hers first. How is the day already almost gone? I forgot I started recording, though, in the middle of the day. Maybe we'll do some prettifying. Yes, that's a real word. Prettifying. Pretty things up a bit. I don't know. I really should be finding my other towers. I'm just sucking at that. I don't know if I just keep sticking to the same paths, and that's why I'm not finding them. I keep thinking I'm going different ways. I don't know. It's just gonna, like, be when I have a helicopter. Like, endgame type stuff. Oh, she finally got her 3rd and 4th tower. Okay, did we get everything? Alright, let's go see Rain. I'll go. You better go back to your little part of the yard. Hi, Rain. It did fly by. I completed your request. Please only take the 21. Thanks. Let's go to the store before it closes. Hi, Fletch. Don't cringe that I'm selling all this. I know I should be cooking it and making fruit salad and things, but I also want money. We spent all of our dinks. Alright, it's not a ton, but still. Not bad. I want to buy a torch. I might get this torch. Should have it with me for when I'm running around at night. I'm gonna pick you up and craft a new one. Doggo? Gosh, dang it. Come on. Oh, great. He's gonna go to sleep. Great. You're gonna get murdered. Oh, Doggo. He ignored my whistle. What are you gonna do? We had a golden retriever when I was growing up, and he could always escape our yard, no matter what efforts my parents made, which, thinking back on it, probably weren't any to keep it dog-proofed. It was fully fenced, but he always got out. Yes, you can have it, Theodore. Thank you. He became like the neighborhood dog. We've donated a lot more bugs than we have fish. I've got to do more fishing. But the mailman would always stop and, like, play ball with him. He would chase the garbage trucks all the time, but they were friendly with him too. It's just poor old dog. We never could keep him in his yard. Let's put this in storage. See if I have what we need for the hardwood bench. What category is that? Oh yeah, and the silo as well. Oh, crab pot. Okay. Oh, and this is the other thing I got when I went to bed for the night. I got a message that I learned how to make the beehive. I'm just gonna have to grab a whole lot of materials. I can see this is why I've saved my queen bee. Yeah, bench. Oh. Hardwood planks, 5 and 4 nails. Just have the planks. Let's make that, see how it looks. We do want to make a beehive. Iron, resin, hardwood. Wait, need more of this. And this. Oh, can you only do these on a campfire? Okay. Interesting. Make some extras. Look at all the babies sleeping in their little houses. There goes Rain in her favorite chair. I'm gonna have to put some more seating out here. So cute. Maybe put a bench in my yard. Oh, hello. Looks like we have some copper and iron back there ready to be harvested. I'm gonna let that fill in more, maybe. See how much we get. I've forgotten what all I... Oh, the beehive. I need to pick up the queen bee. Is that what I was going for? Yes, I need my queen bee. Oh my goodness. Now I have room for some more storage. Look at how carefully I'm carrying her. We got a bee house. Let's see what it says. Collect honey from this. Can take a week. Oh my goodness. Where do we want to put it? I could put it just right here next to this storage chest. I don't know. It might be fun to put it somewhere else. We'll put it here. Cute. Okay, let's go place the bench before I forget. Erwin and Rain seem to enjoy each other's company. I'm eventually gonna do... Oh, doggo, you worry me. Do cute little things out here. Probably put the bench somewhere else. I haven't really figured out everything I want to do. Definitely needs some lighting. I don't want to put torches everywhere. I'm hoping I'll eventually learn some of the nicer lighting recipes. Maybe if I leave this open, doggo will go back in there. I'll put food out for him in the morning. You know what I want to do? It's not that late yet. We've got some energy. See, it's seeds, fir grass, tropical grass, fern. Here we go. And I've got my shovel. I think I might need it. I thought it might be cute to plant some ferns around here. Do one couple here, maybe. We'll see how it looks. If I don't like it, we can always redo it. Yeah, I'll do one next to it. Another one right here. Let's see. Excuse me. I had to spray for ants. Our house is under attack by ants right now. And I sprayed too much of the stuff, and the fragrance is just like, ugh. Yeah, we'll see how that looks. It just seems so kind of drab and dreary in here. Let's liven it up a bit. Oop, don't go into the hole. There you go. Well, look at our torch. We can plant some other stuff another time too. We'll see how that looks once it starts to fill in. Put stuff away. I might sneeze in a bit. I'm sorry. go here. It's harder to put stuff away when I don't have everything in stock. Okay. And get this spine effects or whatever. All right, let's go to bed. Oh man, that ant spray is really getting to me. It feels like I coated my mouth with it. I probably should have been wearing one of my face masks. Sleep until tomorrow. I don't think we really leveled up anything. I don't even know what max level is for anything. Doing really well with our foraging, though. Melvin's visiting. While we're building his shop. That's kind of cute. On with our chores. Maybe we'll do some fishing. That might be a good plan for the day. Let's go on. Sugar's ready. We can make some fairy bread. Oh, Doggo, come on. Let's find Doggo. Good morning, you guys. Doggo, hi, Rain. Ah, Melvin's shop's still going. It's gonna be cute. I like the roof line. Excuse me, Doggo. Come on. Come on. Okay, he's following. I don't know how often I have to whistle, but it seems to work out better if I do it every so often. Come on, Doggo. Come on, let's get your breakfast. I don't need this stress in my life, Doggo. Okay. Oy. Oops, forgot the milking can. You're a good doggo. I wish you guys ate your breakfast a little earlier. Good morning. Thank you for the delicious eggs. They're quite excellent. Oh no, I'm sorry I'm coughing. I cursed it. Come on. Find just the right spot for milking. Meredith. You're gonna eat your breakfast. See what I mean? It's just hard to get just the right spot. Nope. Got it. Meredith, stand still so I can milk you. I watched somebody else playing and they were having the same problem. Thank you, Meredith. Now can I pet you? Oh, come on. I just want to pet you. Okay, we'll try again in a minute. Great. There we go. Whew, that was a lot of work. Oh, Doggo didn't eat yet. Doggo. Okay. Look at Rain out there helping out farming. I should really cook some stuff to sell. Help out with the watering. What are we on? 17th of winter. Oh, wow. She already got our corn. Wow, she's done with the... Is that kale? I think that's kale we planted. I think we're going to just go do some fishing. We go out in our boat. Maybe do that. I don't even know where... Oh, I think the boat's next to the other teleporter. Would like to plant a few more crops in my other garden. Thanks, Rain. You're a huge help. Oh, I forgot to feed our little friend over there. grab a couple. I always like to make sure they have plenty of food for today and the next day. Well, the fern's looking cute filling in. Oh, look at all this poo. Don't stand on it. There you go. Yeah, I think the ferns will be cute. I might grab some flowers. I need to pet you. I guess we'll... That's the cutest noise. We'll come... Whoop. You can tell it's a little deeper in some areas than others. Because I was just kept digging in the same spot to do some terraforming. That's very handy. You can just get endless dirt. So glad I have one random log that I accidentally picked up. Okay. Let's eat our egg. Definitely gonna keep my shovel with me today. Although now I probably won't even find any spots to dig in. We've got some limes we can eat. Let's just go check Irwin's oh, what time do you open? 10? Okay, 10. Closed Mondays. If you wanted to open early, that would be okay. Apparently he doesn't want to open early. Fine. I'll do my little sassy head tilt as I turn around. Oh, we've got an apple tree. I forgot I planted an apple tree right there. Okay, it's 10 o'clock, Irwin. Get to work. Yay! I'm eventually going to get some more chooks, but right now I think we're okay. 2 of everything. She's a cutie. Oh, I forgot I can't afford it yet. I forgot. Okay, let's just go fishing. We could go see if Melvin has anything cool for sale. Maybe we'll just go fishing right off in the ocean here. I don't feel like dealing with the boat. I'm getting a little better with it. Ooh, a lava lamp and a bedside table. Oh, we buy a lava lamp already? What's up? Okay. How much is this little table? No thanks for right now. I gotta go earn some dinks. Gator, lovely. Are there any fishies just right in here? Oh, it's just a shell. Oh, die for this. I think we have this. Come on, jump up. Here we go. There's something to dive for out here, too. It's nice seeing the bubbles. Ooh, that's a nice big fish. I think we've caught you. Where did you go? Oh, right there. Yeah, you look like one I caught and donated the other day. Oops. Hopefully just catching a couple of fish will let us buy our pleep. Got too used to running around with dinks. I forgot I was broke. Oh, just come on. You're tired. Let me catch you now. Yeah, I think I donated one of those. Let's double check. Yes, I did. I can't remember how late Irwin stays open. Come on, fishy. Tuck her out. Okay. Let's see what else. I think I saw some other fish around here. Maybe not. Nope, there's another one of those little starfish doohickeys I could dive for. I wanted. Well, yeah, I've got to remember to start leaving my traps out. Catch some birds and stuff. And I'm so annoyed I forgot to take one into the mines with me last time. Oh, both couldn't bite. Oh, good, the big one. Curious to see what it was. A bluefish? Yeah, I definitely need to do a lot more fishing and bug catching. I want to level those up. I know I say that every episode and then I just don't really do it. Bluefish. Oh, my speakers just turned themselves off because of course they would. And my little wireless volume control knob is out of the batteries are dead. Lovely. Are you a fish or something to dive for? Oh, I think you're like a shrimp or something. Oh. Yeah. White yabby. All right, let's go sell this stuff. See if we can now afford our pleep. Hi, John. Hold on, I gotta fiddle with my speakers for a second. There we go. I can hear again. There we go. Got species. Yes, let's go get our pleat. I still haven't thought of any really cute names, so I'm just gonna go with whatever name pops up again. It's kind of cracking me up. She is a cutie. I'll give her a great home. Shania, okay. Alright. I also feel like if I don't name them personally, I'm more likely to sell them eventually. Whereas if I give them my own little names, I might be even more attached. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm already attached because they're adorable. Gonna go right in the water, I bet. Yeah, they love the water. I don't know if I should make that a little bit bigger or not. Look how cute she is. I love the animals in this game. So cute. All right. I don't know if I should work on trying to make things a little cute. I wanted some brick pathing. What do we need for that? Oh, I know though. Let's also, before we do that, or instead of that, copper, iron, palmwood, resin. Copper. I want to make some crab pots, or at least one. I don't know how shallow. It says put in shallow water. And I have not seen this done on anybody else's videos yet, so I'm not exactly sure where to put these. If like by shallow water, just like here? I'm guessing so. All right. Oh, do I have to put any kind of bait in it? I don't know. We'll see if anything happens without me putting anything in it. I haven't seen any kind of bait in game. I'm hoping that just when something's in there, this closes, and that's how I'll know. And let's see what we need for the pet feeders, the silos. Because that would make life a little easier as well. See if we can afford the materials for those. Okay, I need a lot of tin sheets. That's what I needed the quartz for. 15 tin sheets. Oh, wait, I wanted to track the materials. How much tin do we have? Quite enough. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video for just a minute because my dogs are distracting me. They want to go out finally. It's been drizzling and they haven't wanted to go out. I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to go run around and gather up some tin, maybe getting any other resources we need, and I'll be right back. Well, I didn't have luck with getting too much tin, but I got just enough that I could make all of the tin sheets we needed. We can make one at least. Let's do that and see if we can figure out where we have to place it. Let's see what this says. Fills animal feeders 8 tiles out. I wish it would show. Look at Rain. She loves this spot. We'll need to make her a little spot in front of her house. So 8 tiles out. I'm guessing if I put it in this corner, it should work for these dishes. Here, I can move them even a little closer. Matter of fact, I want to move this one just to here. Let's go grab some feed and put it in. See how it works. Animal food, insert. I'll have to do it one at a time. Okay. That's a little annoying, like if you wanted to put in 100. So I guess I wait to see if in the morning it dispenses the food. All right, let's go to bed and see what happens. See if we figured that out. That's definitely within the 8 tiles. Let's get some more corn going too. Make all the feed we can. Sleep. So I don't mind making one of those for each one of the animal pens. That would be fine. I just need to go back down into the deep mines or somewhere and really stock up on a lot of tin. I think I was doing more fighting than actual mining on that last run. Oh, what did we earn? Town planner. Oh yeah, we can go see what Melvin's store looks like. Hey, it filled them. All right, so I'm going to spend the next episode, or not the next episode, but the amount of time in between episodes, gathering a lot of material, and I'll make more of those and put them in each of the animal pens. Oh, this is a cute little store. Melvin, look at your little store. Hi, what's new? I clicked too fast. When are you open? 10 to 5. Well, I want to show everybody what your store looks like before we finish off the episode. We'll do that. Let's see what we have here. Teapot, I have one. Pilot goggles, oh no. Oh my. Yep, those are some pilot goggles. No thank you. Let's check the board while we're just waiting for Melvin's store to open. Yeah, the Alpha Jack. I'll go see where it is on the map, how close or far it is. I don't know if I want to do that this morning or not. I mean, I guess we could do it. If you guys don't mind, the episode's just going to go a little longer. I don't even have a lot of food or anything with me. We're just going to do a half-hearted attempt. This is really dumb. This is what happens when the store's not open. I go get in trouble. And I'm now regretting it and thinking, let's just turn around and go to Melvin's store. But we could also look for some tin along the way. As I'm totally looking at everything else but what's around me. As long as I just keep out of the little AoE and time my jumps, alright, we're okay. Probably not smart to mine and use up my energy on the way either. I couldn't pass that up. Oh, there it is. Hello, friend. You want to play? Oh, I'm going to be very reflex slow today. I know I can jump over that. Oh, as I time my jump wrong. Oh, don't kick me. I'm jumping while running away. That's so dumb. Although, I'm not good at that. I don't know why. Sometimes I'm just better than others. I don't know why. Oh, don't kick me. Wait for you to do your jump. I should have brought somebody with me. Come on, do your thing. And looking a little tired. Oh, a dig spot. Oh, jeez. See, I get cocky when their health gets low. Their shovel. I was gonna be mad if I didn't have my shovel again. I'm gonna need a new weapon soon, too. I'm gonna have to make that today. But I have lots of copper, so that's good. Alright, so we can turn this in and go check out the store. Put a big old thing there. Who was this for? Was it Theodore? Yep. Actually face the correct direction. Head on home. Not bad for somebody who wasn't really planning on it and didn't have any good food or any buff food with her. And for some reason is lame and can't time her jumps. When it's actually not that difficult a mechanic, I just still seem to mess it up. I'm not going up for that tin up there. It'll mean fighting a cassowary. I don't need that hassle right now. But cool. This was what, 14,000, 18,000 dinks? Not bad. Melvin's store just opened. So good. That didn't take all that long, really. Turn this in first. Oh, I want to see what Theodore's selling today, too. What blueprint. Well, not Theodore. Franklin. I always confuse their names. I don't know why. I completed your request. Thank you, Theodore. My pleasure. Oh, the dinks. Give me all of the dinks. Yeah, let's go check first on Franklin's. I didn't read your sign, did I? Closed Sunday and Saturday. All right, good to know. Oh, what's this? Hedge arch. Cute. Yeah, teach me. Thank you. I'm never gonna have money now with their stores open in town. I'm gonna have to do a lot of dink farming. Okay, let's see what's going on in here. Oh, look at all the I like the little dresser. Wallpaper? Grass floor. Retro flower wall. I kind of like our current wall, but we could check this out if it's not too expensive. It's groovy. Okay. Wow, it's a nice big table. Rattan bedside table? Okay. I'm still gonna be broke all the time. I'm not gonna buy the small pot, and this is probably where he's just working on stuff. Awesome, let's go see what this wallpaper looks like. Did I just say where it looks like? Let's see what it looks like. I'm a dork. My bags are full. Okay. Man, we did a lot. We bought a pleat. We built a silo. We got to see what Franklin's place looks like. We got to get Melvin set up. Oh my. No, thank you. It's fun. I think I'm going to... Can we keep stuff in these? No, I know there is a dresser because that one save file I have with my Gert character. Where did I get an... Oh, yeah. We don't need the teapot. Let's pick that up. She has a dresser. I can't remember. I think Fletch gave it to her, and she's able to keep clothes in it. Didn't I buy something else? Oh, no, just the wallpaper and the table. All right. Let's put that away. Put that away. Teapot. Now we've got like 2 of them. We're going to end this episode here, you guys. Look at our little silo. That looks cute. I feel like we're making quite a bit of progress. We've got a lot of people moving in. I'm going to spend a little time in between episodes. Did I feed these guys over here? No, I think they had food though, but I didn't even pet them. Come on, Shania and Rebecca. Rebecca, let me pet you. So we're going to end this here. I'm going to eventually pet Rebecca. I'm going to get them fed. I like the look of the fern in there near the water. So that's kind of fun. So thanks so much for watching. Take care, you guys.